What is up? I hope you all are having a great Mandela Effect evening. I want to talk to you about Rubik's Cube. It's spelled with Rubik''S. And I don't know how recent this is. I'm going to have to look it up just to be sure. But Logopedia is not showing anything right now. But what I'm looking at here is, let me ask you, do you guys remember the B being broken? Or the K? Or the R for that matter? I don't. But let me trace this for you guys. The R is green, the U is white, and it's missing the stub right here. It's got just a triangle point. I'm not complaining about that. Okay, there's the broken B. It's blue. The orange I with a cube over it. Yellow K. Okay. The apostrophe is red. Okay. Alright, awesome. Okay, so that's traced. Thanks, guys, for checking me out. Have a great Mandela Effect night. God bless.